Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe us and turn all notifications on. Hi everyone, my name is Burak. I'm gonna show you today most fantastic way to cook tuna, pasta and pesto. Let's get started. With this way, you're gonna have always most delicious pasta. First of all, you need to boil the water and a little bit salt in it. Salt goes in, not too much. I always recommend not to put oil in that. And I'm gonna make it for myself, so just enough amount of pasta is gonna go into the water. Give it a good stir and leave it as it is. It's gonna get to the boiling temperature and start boil. Usually takes like 12 minutes to cook. I'm gonna cook it till al dente point, and then we are gonna mix with the sauce. We are gonna make it. Now, quickly, we're gonna make one of the most delicious pesto. I got mushroom, capsicum, pesto, basil leaves, and plus olive oil and a little bit of wine. Olive oil goes in, capsicums goes in. As I told you before, I'm doing for one person. And the mushroom just goes after capsicum. A little bit salt, pepper. For seasoning. By the way, get the tuna ready. As you see, won't take long. The mushroom is going to turn to the nice, beautiful golden color. Next thing, we're going to have white wine. Beautiful smell. Great. Pasta is ready. I got it from the kitchen. Goes into the mixture. That's more than enough for now. And let's mix it. As you see, capsicums, mushrooms and pastas only. Beautiful. Very nice olive oil and white wine. Next thing is the main ingredient. Sauce, pesto, garlic and basil pesto. We are putting on top of the pasta. Great. This is the liquid of the pasta I boiled. So let's mix it up. We are going to have very, very juicy, beautiful pesto with white wine. Very juicy, beautiful garlic, basil pesto. As you see, mushrooms, capsicums, tuna from the can. This is cooked tuna, so only we are warming it up. There are big chunks of tunas, as you see. It's coming to the end. By the way, I want to show you how the ingredients shiny, beautiful, colorful. Absolutely great taste. Wine, garlic, pesto, capsicum, mushrooms, all together. Now, a little bit more salt and pepper. Himalayan salt and peppercorns, freshly crushed. We are slowly coming to the end, and plus I'm planning to put more basil flakes. They are very strong basil flakes, so makes the dish much stronger in flavor. Beautiful. Slowly I'm transferring the pasta into the plate. I'm trying to not make mess. Yes, pasta is ready. I'm so excited. Tuna pasta, pesto. Adding more tuna on top of the plate, so I'm gonna warm it up a bit. As you see, don't cook it too much. And transferring on top of the plate. Plus Parmesan cheese on top of it. And basil leaves. It's beautiful. This is the pasta I'm gonna have it tonight. It's a fantastic taste. It's a great, very rich penne pasta with pesto sauce, mushrooms, capsicums, and white wine.